Richmond has quietly become a strong business hub, powered by industries that know how to adapt and grow. Logistics, healthcare, manufacturing, finance, and IT form the backbone of the city's economy, and technology plays a major role in how these sectors operate today. Richmond's location makes logistics and distribution especially competitive, while healthcare and life sciences rely on secure, compliant systems to protect data and maintain continuity. Manufacturing has shifted toward automation and connected systems, and financial and professional services depend on reliable technology to meet compliance and client expectations. IT supports it all, helping businesses modernize, scale, and respond faster to change. As Frank Ernesto, CEO of Network Data Security Experts, notes, Richmond's industry leaders succeed by quickly adapting technology to local market needs, leveraging IT as a core driver of business performance. Affordability, access to talent, and a supportive business environment continue to attract growing companies. While challenges like security risks, system sprawl, and scaling pressures remain, Richmond businesses are planning ahead by upgrading systems and investing in smarter technology. To learn more about how Richmond's top industries are driving business growth, check out the full article on our website and add this podcast to your playlist for easy listening anytime.